human family. So really everything, I'll be honest, everything around us contains a sort of spiritual power, or like the divinity, that's the divinity.
Okay.
So they oftentimes, like for example, let's just say, it could be something like a robot, right? It could be a kami for the robot. Because they believe that there's a sort of divinity towards it. It's an aspect of the, it's an aspect of even though it's